Example 17. A square pyramid with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting with its base on HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when one of its base edges is parallel to VP. So here we are now having a square pyramid. Observe here carefully. It is a square pyramid and the base side is given as 40 mm and the axis is 65 mm in height. And it is directly resting on the horizontal plane. It will mean that it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. And also it is mentioned here that the one of the base edges is parallel to VP. This is also an important point. So when you place this square pyramid in the first quadrant on the horizontal plane, you should make sure that it should appear as a square but not rhombus, because the base edges is parallel to VP. So we will see now how to imagine this first. Here you can see that now we have a square pyramid, which we have already seen in the introduction part of this lecture, that it will have a square base and an apex point. So the top base will not be a square here. Now I will make it to rest on the horizontal plane as given in the question. And when you view it from the top, it is quite simple that it will appear as a square because it is a square pyramid, obviously. And when I view it from the front, it will appear as a triangle, as you can see here. This is very easy. But here one more thing to observe, that this top view is a square, but you have to draw these diagonals also with H pencil, with dark pencil, because this is part of the solution, and they are appearing because of longer edges. So we will see now how to draw this.
Again, we will start with the top view because it is a square of 40 mm side. This is our top view. The projection lines. Oh, sorry. As this is a pyramid, we need to just project this line till the xy plane, because we don't require it till above. The axis height is 65 mm, as you know, and just we need to join this point and this point. And so our first figure is completed. Now the dimensioning part. The square base is of side 40 mm. Again, and the axis height is 65 mm. And so question number 17 is completed.
So this is the final solution of your square pyramid, which is resting on the horizontal plane. Front view will be a triangle, top view will be a square with the edges also visible, and also one of the base edge is parallel to this xy line, because it is mentioned here that base edges is parallel to VP.